Dear students, welcome to NIT Polytechnic online learning platform. We bring you the most relevant content in the most attractive digital format. Myself, A.V. Giretkar, Senior Lecturer, Department of Civil Engineering, NIT Polytechnic Nagpur. Today we learn Unit 3, Dams and Spillway, and topic is 3.5. In previous lecture, we have studied drainage gallery, joints in gravity dam, concept of high dam and low dam. In, in this session, means after completion of this video lecture, the student will be able to CO map, maintain irrigation structure. LO map is propose the types of spillways and energy dissipators for the given type of dam with justification. And PO map are PO1, PO2, PO3, PO4, PO5, PO8, PO9 and PO10. Now in gravity dam, see the pictures. This is a gravity dam and this section is the overflow section of gravity dam is known as spillway. This is the Bhakra Nangal Dam is a gravity dam across the Satluj river in Himachal Pradesh, and this is the cross section of the Ugi type spillway. Now, what is spillway? A spillway is the overflow portion of dam over which surplus discharge flows from the reservoir to the downstream. A spillway is therefore called a surplusing work. A spillway is designed to carry this flood water not required to be stored in the reservoir. A spillway is essentially a safety valve for a dam. Then function of spillway. The spillway will dispose of the surplus water and will not let the water rise above the maximum reservoir level. Then location of spillway. This is the main gauge. It is also known as just like as valley, and this is the flank. It's called as saddle. This is the normal pool level and this is the top of dam. So location of spillway. A spillway can be located either within the body of dam or at one end or of it or entirely away from it independently in a saddle is the location of spillway. If a deep narrow gauge with steep banks separated from a flank by a hillock which with its level above the top of the dam as shown in figure is available, the spillway can be best built independently of the dam. Then components of spillway. Spillway may be constructed as an integral part of dam or as independent structure but essentially comprises component discussed as under. First is the approach channel. It is an entrance structure to draw water from the reservoir and convey it to the control structure. The approach channel may be a straight or curve in plan. Its banks may be parallel, convergent, divergent, or combination of these, and may be vertical or sloping. It may ensure minimum head loss through the channel and to obtain uniformly of flow over the control structure. The entrance velocities are limited and channel curvatures and transitions, if any, are gradual. Third part is the control structure. A significant component of spillway provided with bridge and gates regulates and control the surplus water from the reservoir. It does not allow the discharge of water below the fixed reservoir level. Then third one is the discharge carrier. It is the waterway provided to convey tile flow release from the control structure to the downstream side of the spillway. The cross section may be rectangular, trapezoidal, or of other shapes. Waterway may be broad or narrow, long or short. Then discharge channel. They are provided to convey the water from the bottom of the discharge carrier to the downstream flowing river. It may be the downstream face of the spillway. So, in this lecture, we have studied spillway definition, function of spillway, location of spillway, and components of spillway. So, thank you very much.